Hey guys, what's up? This is Booking Bronco with another Booksy Biz tutorial. Today we are going to get into how to take time off. So you don't want to change your business hours. You just have a doctor's appointment coming up next week, or you're going to take the day off sometime in 2 weeks or next month, something like that, something simple. So that's what we're going to get into today. And then I will also do a quick review of some other booking settings. If you're looking to find out how to do booking window, minimum, maximum amount of time, stuff like that, I'm going to drop the link for the booking settings into the description of this video as well, so you can review that. I'll just do a quick review of that today. So let's get right into it. Before that though, as always, full disclosure, I'm a full-time employee of Booksy as of the time of this recording. So this YouTube channel is my own personal project and is not affiliated with or sponsored by Booksy. The views and opinions I express here are strictly my own and do not reflect the positions, views, or opinions of Booksy. Okay, now let's get right into it. We're going to go into the profile bottom right and then into settings just right above that. And we're actually going to go into staff management. You might think it's in schedule management, but in this case, we're going to go into staff management if you want to set time off per staff member. So if you're going to go in, you can go in. I'm just going to go to Jimmy Dean, and you're going to scroll down until you get to upcoming time off. And here you can see I did set a couple things already, but if you want to set a new one, you're just going to come over here to this little beach symbol. Go here, and then you see the staff member. You're going to select the reason, whatever it is. Jimmy, he's taking vacation. It's going to be all day, and then it's going to be May 5th. So you just select whatever staff member it is. The reason, in this case, the timing, we're going to select all day. Start and end date, in this case, it's just 1 day. Let's say it's going to be 2 days. So boom, right there. Save. Okay, so now you can see May 5th to May 6th, 2 days off for Jimmy Dean. And if you want to, you can also say, let's say it's a doctor's appointment. We're going to do it a different way this time. This time we're actually going to do it through schedule management, and we're going to say staff member time off, and we're going to go into Jimmy Dean again. And then once again, beach symbol. Let's just say this time it is a doctor's appointment. So other absence reason. And then you can also approve it or unapprove it here. This is because I have admin privileges. You're going to go, I'm just going to go in and approved, other absence reason approved. Let's say he's got that doctor appointment. It's going to be 11 o'clock, in a few days. It's next week, 11 o'clock next week. And then it's going to be 2 hours. So he's going to go until 1 o'clock. So once again, same idea. Staff member, the reason, how long. If it's all day, you select all day. If it's not, you can just select the start and end time and then the date. And then you can actually set repeatable ones as well. Maybe someone they pick up their kid from school, they leave early on same time Wednesdays every week, something like that. So you can repeat it as well. So that's an option as well. Go ahead and save that. And so now you're kind of getting the idea. I set one for today, April 15th. That was a all day, 1 day. This was April 15th for 2 hours. This one was 2 days. So this is pretty much everything you need to find out taking time off. Person, how long, that's how you do it. Pretty much that straightforward. And then, like I said, I am going to do a quick review of booking settings. So if you're looking to do the booking window, so like when people can book, you're going to come down to advanced options, booking settings. You can turn on or off whether you want to manually or automatically confirm bookings. And then your booking window is going to be down here. Booking window is the minimum amount of time into the future, so at least 2 hours in advance in this case. Future booking window is the maximum amount of time, so how far into the future they can book with you. Rescheduling, that's just the rescheduling rule. Avoid gaps between service. Don't worry about that, generally speaking. And that's pretty much it for today. So now you know how to take time off, and then a quick review of the booking settings. As always, guys, thank you for your time. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe. And then if you are considering subscribing to Booksy Biz, I am going to drop my referral link in the description below. You can use that to get 2 months, 50% off your first 2 months. And it does also help support the channel as well, of course. Thanks.